Hello guys, today we're gonna play some Growtopia as you can see in the title. So, getting into terraria.
Terraria.
Okay, so, terraria, we're not gonna play like Growtopia or something. Okay. We're gonna go play some terraria. So, today I'm gonna show you how to make a slime farm. So, let me get my tools. As you see, I'm gonna do it. So, take those. As you can see mine. Look. But these stuff are not really important. These are just traps to do some stuff. Okay? So, you need it. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. You need some lava. And you need all three kinds of wrenches. Blue wrench, green wrench, and the red wrench. And of course the wire cutter. And you need some of those wires. So, and you're wondering, why is it gray, blue, green? You just mix all the colors together to the lever. Like, I'm gonna give you an example. Like, take this, this, this. Okay? Wait. Okay? You do like this. 1, 2. At least 2 I'm gonna show you. And then you put green ones. And then you can put the red one. But wait, you don't have any more wires. So just take some wires from the mechanic. The mechanic gives you all this stuff so you can do this. As you can see, there is the wires, there is the wrenches, there is the blue wire. Oh. And here is the lever. So you buy some of those. You buy this, and then you buy one lever. So you take these, you go back, but you don't really have to do all of these stuff that I did. So you see these, and then I'll just make it quite bigger, and then you'll be like, oh, this is a perfect idea. So why is my green not so, and then it will become gray. That's how you make all the colors together, and it can be 3 times faster if you can put only one kind of color. So that's like another exploit there. So as you can see, 3 slimes are spawning at the same time, but if they're at the same place, look like if you see, like, it's just there, like at the same place. As you all can see, I got the slime staff by doing this. I was just sitting here for a couple of minutes, and then I got the slime stuff. Yeah, so that's how you get the slime stuff, and that's how you make a farm. Bye bye.
Bye.